Hi and welcome to Steam Powered Family. Today we have a quick and easy confetti cannon project for you. We actually have two different designs that we have created for you to do with your kids. Now, we do realize that there is a spelling error in our images here in the video. Cannon is spelled wrong. It should have two N's in the middle, not one. So we apologize for that. You're just going to need some really basic supplies for this first design. You need a toilet roll tube, a balloon, some tape, and then some items to decorate your confetti cannon. Plus, of course, you're going to want some confetti, and you can make this at home by simply cutting up some paper or using a hole punch on some scrap paper, or you can buy some commercial made confetti. So we've cut our balloon, slipped it over the top, and now we're just going to tape it into place. So you want to make sure that that balloon is nice and secured onto the top of the tube. Now, you want to measure a piece of paper, or you can do this on a computer if you want to bring in some technical skills and create a design for the outside of your confetti cannon. You can also use stickers, paint it, whatever your students want to do. They could also use different types of tape to create their designs on their confetti cannons. It's really quick, really simple. And we have another similar use of this type of design where we made a launcher for seed bombs. And I'll link that in the description below. So now all we need to do is fill our little confetti cannon, pull back the balloon, and launch our confetti. So that was the first design. For our second design, this one may require a little bit more adult supervision for this step, where we're going to be cutting off the top of a bottle. So this is a water bottle or a pop bottle, and you want to make sure that you've got that top cut off. Again, for younger students, you'll want to supervise that. Then all we do is take a full balloon, blow it up, give it a little twist in the end. You could also use a little clip if you needed to. Attach it on the top of the bottle, on the mouth there, hold it in place, fill it up with your confetti, and then launch. We do have a third design that uses syringes to help with the launching of a confetti cannon, and I'll link again to that below. But you can find more fun STEM activities on steampoweredfamily.com. Bye for now.